Good morning, Teresa.
Hi, Mr. Tandy.
Good morning, Mr. Tandy.
Hey, Sam.
Mr. Tandy, good morning.
Good morning, Isabel.
Good morning, Mr. Tandy.
Good morning, Oscar.
This is a clock. Clock.
This is a watch. Watch.
Anna, what time is it?
It's 8:10 a.m.
Anna, what time is it on this clock?
Oh, sorry. It's 8:30.
Anna, what time is it?
It's 10:22.
Right. Sam, what time is it?
It's 2:17.
Great. Isabel, what time is it?
It's 4:49.
Right. Oscar, what time is it?
It's 6:55.
Excellent. Teresa, what time is it?
It's 12:33.
Good. Now look and listen. Anna, what time is it?
It's 2 o'clock.
Teresa, what time is it?
It's 5 o'clock.
Good. Anna, what time is it?
It's 3:15 or it's 3:15.
Anna, what time is it?
It's 4:07.
Anna, what time is it?
It's 3:45 or it's 3:45.
Anna, what time is it?
It's 3:55 or it's 5 to 4.
Oscar, what time is it?
It's 7:15.
Excellent. Isabel, what time is it?
It's 1:45.
Right. Oscar, what time is it?
It is 7:06.
Great. Sam, what time is it?
It's 10 to 9.
Excellent. Anna, what time is it?
It's 12 o'clock or it's noon.